Are you struggling to meet your financial obligations? Do you find yourself worried about bills and expenses? Are you feeling anxious about your current situation and unsure about your future? If so, you're not alone. Many people face similar challenges, but the good news is that there's a way to change your circumstances. The essence of life is abundance, not scarcity. God, the boundless source of provision, is infinite and eternal, offering endless abundance. You have an unseen but unwavering support system. Since you are connected to God, your potential resources are limitless. Your hands are tools to create and construct beauty, honoring the divine. Your voice is meant to spread love and kindness to all. Your eyes perceive the wonders of nature and the presence of God in every aspect of creation. Your desire to express yourself through dance reflects the universal harmony orchestrated by God. Your inclination to paint captures the divine beauty-seeking expression through your artistry. Your ears are attuned to the melodies of the universe and the gentle guidance of God's voice. Your curiosity to explore the world is an invitation from God to appreciate the intricate marvels and balance of existence. God desires your happiness, freedom, and fulfillment. He wants you to dwell in opulent surroundings, adorned with beauty. God envisions your life as a triumphant and glorious journey. The divine presence within you empowers your will and actions, as stated by Paul in Philippians 2:13. Your aspiration for abundance is God's way of revealing His inexhaustible riches to you, affirming that everything He possesses is available to you. All activities in the world are part of God's all-encompassing action. There's only one supreme power that energizes everything and everyone. Whether it's spiritual or secular, all work becomes spiritual when done with love and dedication for the glory of God. For example, a carpenter who builds a house with care and follows universal principles is doing spiritual work, just like a minister who teaches about religious principles. Similarly, if you invent a better product like a razor blade or an automobile, your intention is to serve others and contribute positively to society. By practicing the golden rule in all your dealings, you're aligning with God's purpose. Since God supports you, no force in the universe can hinder your success and prosperity in business. If you're struggling to pay bills or foreseeing problems, remember that changing your thoughts can change your situation. Your current circumstances reflect your present thoughts and feelings. By thinking positively now, you can shape a harmonious and successful future. Your present troubles stem from current thoughts. In Divine Mind, time and space don't exist. Your good exists in the present moment. Both the past and future are just thoughts in the present because you can only think in the now. By changing this moment, you can alter your destiny. You only have control over the present moment. That's why ancient Hindu mystics believed that God, or your good, exists in the eternal now. Here is powerful affirmation for financial success. I recognize that my work is part of a greater purpose, similar to how Jesus focused on his Father's mission. I trust in the natural flow of abundance governed by divine laws. Each day, I gain more wisdom and insight. My business or profession is a conduit for positive actions and outcomes. I effortlessly attract all the resources, opportunities, and connections necessary for my success. Divine inspiration guides me in every aspect of my work. Every day presents new chances for growth and advancement. I prioritize fostering goodwill with others, understanding that mutual respect leads to shared success. I approach every interaction with integrity and positivity, confident in my abilities. In the Bible, in 1 Corinthians 3:6, it says, "I planted, Apollos watered, but God gave the increase." This verse highlights the concept of growth and abundance, which is a fundamental aspect of human nature. We all have an innate desire to expand and flourish in various aspects of our lives, whether it's wealth, friendships, material possessions like food, clothing, and homes, or experiences such as travel and learning. We all seek to increase and enhance our lives. This longing for abundance is a natural expression of the divine spark within us, driving us to live a fuller and more fulfilling life. Just as planting seeds in the soil and watering them leads to the multiplication of crops, our thoughts, feelings, and imagination have the power to manifest and multiply our desires. However, it's important to remember that this process of increase isn't solely reliant on our efforts alone. It's ultimately guided and supported by a higher power, often referred to as God. To experience true increase in our lives, we must actively plant the seeds of our desires in our minds and nurture them with positive thoughts and actions. By aligning ourselves with the universal principle of increase and trusting in the divine support that is always available to us, we can manifest our desires and live a life of abundance. Some individuals believe they're stuck in their current circumstances, unable to progress or achieve promotion due to limited opportunities or fixed wage structures. However, this isn't necessarily true. Regardless of your situation, you can utilize the power of your mind to advance and succeed in life. The key is to visualize clearly what you want to achieve, trusting that your subconscious mind will support you, and to persistently pursue your goals with determination. Have faith that your mental image will manifest in your reality. Find joy and fulfillment in your current work, striving to do your best and maintaining a positive attitude. Cultivate kindness, warmth, and goodwill towards others, while also thinking ambitiously about wealth and success. View your present role as a stepping stone to greater achievements. Recognize your true value and envision abundance not only for yourself, but also for everyone you encounter. Embrace the belief that opportunities for advancement and financial prosperity are abundant and readily available. Understand that the only thing holding you back is your own mindset and self-perception. When presented with opportunities for growth and advancement, seize them with openness and enthusiasm, as they may lead to even greater possibilities in the future. Embrace the journey of progress and experience the abundance that life has to offer here and now. If this message resonated with you, I warmly invite you to support us by liking and subscribing to our channel. Share this video with others to spread its valuable message, and feel free to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts, reflections, and experiences. Thank you for watching and joining us. Take care until we meet again.